Boskabosio mwancho murigeria county ya Kisii yabaire gatichi county 15 chigo chakia obwenani bwo echanjo yoboroire bwenyamureo iyo manyekerete buna Lena Kapaville yenye gitari ya Getembe okwana nabarikia mangana hase chinga kichogo chakia echanje iyo nigo bono mo director bubo bwenya ime county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko airere igoro yobuya bwechanje iyo iri gukora okwambukirwa kuboroire bwenyamureo obwobore bwebirango bya byekire ibere nukutakianda igoro yemia wikira umwaka weta igati ababwatani ao igati ababatendrebe byombe biria bigokora obonchoreria bokweonia nigo bono bokubwatiranirwa n'ababwatani abo bobachano bachakira senchera ya bene okwenanwa wechanje yumurikito Pethuel Machini nwarenga sayo robotiro ya senchera yobwikira
bono no mweso wotiasa menyime county ya Kisii edio wetanga kurwa kwa makiri gwaboro iri bwenyamureo bunenchiremo yokweneka kibune birengo byo kwambukirania abo yeborero bwenyamureme county ya Kisii nigori skurerero egetabo kyobochenume county ya Iga kubatirane wizara yobochene yabaire gatichi county chinde 15 imense ya Kenya ochakyo bwana nibwe chancho yoborero bwenyamureo yemanyikazumna Lena Kapaville dispensary
in Kisii County as of the 25th data is at 2.9%. Women affected slightly more than the males. Last year, the new infections were 359, and we had 310 deaths as a result of HIV-related complications. Today marks a significant day for this county, and specifically the Health Department of Health, the County Department of Health, to have joined the rest of the 15 counties in the country to launch the use of Lena Kapaville, which is a drug that is taken to prevent acquisition of new infections to our key populations.
Kurengana na mutenri bobobwene me county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko Giabe nigaine kirimna nigo county ya Kisii yanyorere dosi saine asogo chakira na gutugutirare chingomo mna tikrenit kwenanwa.
We've received enough doses for our county, close to 500 for starters, and we expect that we'll be receiving more doses. It's a drug that is an injectable and has undergone various trials in the past, and has been by the relevant regulatory bodies as safe and effective to prevent new infections. So I want to make it clear to our population that this is not a trial drug. Our people are not going to be used as guinea pigs. It has been approved to be effective, and therefore everyone receiving it should have the confidence to come forth and get the injection.
Negati abatende byombe habali bagokoro bonchere bokweonia nigo bagokiro kubwatiraniwa asogo chakyo wechanje yo erache kubakonya asobonchere bwabo bwakirari tukona gukora okonengetwa
toro no mugoke sengencho county ya Kisii ya to involve tubuna sex workers ba Kisii county asogo cha mona ntuto sange event yega asenge toto chikoba chi beneficiary che igoromono asenge njoga stoko batogo kora ya sex work nigo tore ase high risk yo konyora HIV ko bwa bantu bande bonse asenge njoga stoko kora to abere no mogoko omonene mono asenge jo to abere involved.
We thank you, the government of Kenya, the Ministry of Health, Kisii County, for allowing us to be included in such big events of launching the PrEP injectable drug, which is very important and key to sex workers and KPs at large. PrEP si mwisho wa ku prevent HIV. Kuna madhara zingine zenye tunaweza pata kama gonorrhea, syphilis, so tuepukane nayo, tuendelee bado kutumia condom as other option of preventing HIV infections.
Nashukuru for the launch of injection of this PrEP. Nashukuru sana imesaidia because ina reduce the stigma which was there when we are just visiting the facility twice every month. Now you are going to visit the facility twice a year, which is good for us people who are using PrEP.
Kurpoteria Soko TV kurasinya gitari ya Getembe dispensary me ya county ya Kisii Pethuel Machini.